Find the best product at the best price. Chapter 1. Investigate a product before you buy. Consumer Reports Info. If you're much of a consumer, go to your library or to the bookstore and get a hold of the annual Consumer Reports Buying Guide. The same information is contained in the Consumer Reports monthly magazine, which you can look at in the magazine stacks at the library. These publications rate brands of the many different appliances, electronics, vehicles, and just about everything else out there. They're honest and objective. They put their money where their mouth is by not taking any advertisements whatsoever. The magazine has good articles and tips about saving money. In every issue, they pick a few consumer products, run tests, and rate them. They even rate the movies. They also sell detailed reports about many products and topics for about $8 per report, delivered either by fax or mail. 800-896-7788. You might be able to find some Consumer Reports books at number 640 at the library. Consumers Union of the U.S. 101 Truman Avenue, Yonkers, New York 10703. 914-378-2000. Fax 914-378-2900. ConsumerReports.org. ConsumersUnion.org has a search engine with many company addresses and websites listed. Consumer Reports Cars. ConsumerReports.org. Safe Shopping, Secure Seal of Approval. Before you buy anything from any website, 1. Run the website name through bbb.org to see if it has any complaints. 2. See if it has https / rather than, because that means it's secure. 3. See if it has SHTML rather than HTML, which means it's secure. 4. See if they have a phone number. If it's toll-free, call it. If there's no phone number, forget it. 5. If there's too much hype and glitz, don't bite. 6. Look in the bottom right-hand corner to see if it has a secure seal of approval. 7. Some retail websites don't have street addresses anywhere on the website. To me, no street address means I won't buy anything from them. There are some organizations that certify legitimate sales websites as safe and secure. Use an internet payment service like PayPal.com to avoid using your credit card. Citi, Bank of America and Discover credit cards offer virtual credit card numbers. You make up a one-time use-only credit card number for everything you buy. Fake consumer reviews on everything. At least half of all consumer reviews on the internet are fake, created by the people who sell the product and their friends in one deceptive way or another. The Federal Trade Commission, FTC.gov, has issued guidelines stating that all online endorsements need to make clear when there is a financial relationship, but enforcement is minimal. Consumer chat / consumer forums / consumer opinion / consumer reviews. Consumer opinion is good because you're getting it from the horse's mouth. At the same time, there are fake consumer opinions planted by the companies selling stuff. There are also some disgruntled people who go overboard on trashing someone who wronged them, but I think it's good to speak out if you've been ripped off. ConsumerReview.com Consumer Reviews. Epinions.com Opinions. My3cents.com. PlanetFeedback.com. CProductReviews.com. AngiesList.com, Consumer Ratings of Service Companies and Contractors. Abanet.org/discussions, banking. ACOP.com, American Consumer Opinion. WalmartWatch.com. Consumer Ratings websites / price comparison websites. Most price comparison websites like Shopzilla.com have merchant ratings where customers rate the businesses. VirtualRatings.com. RatingsOnline.com. RayTital.com. 2020consumer.com. ACSES.com. ActiveBuyersGuide.com. ActiveResearch.com. ALatest.com. AmericasTestKitchen.com, reviews of kitchen gear. AngiesList.com, Angie's List is a consumer-driven organization that collects and distributes detailed customer satisfaction reports on local businesses in more than 150 categories. Articles.moneycentral.msn.com/smartspending/find deals online. Audioorview.com, reviews of audio products. badbusinessbureau.com. bbb.org/alerts/products.asp. Consumer information websites at cully.org/home/consumer_information. Subcategories: advocacy and protection, complaints, consumer opinion, news and media, personal finance, price comparisons, rebates, recalls, appliances, arts and entertainment, auctions, automobiles, casinos and gaming, clothing and accessories, communications, computers and internet, electronics, food and drink, gifts and greetings, health and beauty, home and family, jewelry and gemstones, lawn and garden, motorcycles, office, pets, ski resorts, sports and recreation, swimming pools and spas, tools, toys and games. beststuff.com, beststuff.com, a network of reporters, authors, and industry experts offering reviews of new products. checkbook.org, Consumers Checkbook. This independent, non-profit consumer authority provides articles and ratings for local services in the United States. consumerhandbook.ca, Canadian Consumer Handbook, offers information that includes online shopping, contracts, housing and home renovations, identity theft and collection agencies. consumerinformation.ca, Canadian Consumer Information, consumer information guides covering a variety of topics including children, consumer products and services, environment, food, health, housing and finance. consumerzarch.com, consumerzarch.com, database of categorized consumer product reviews from a variety of news and trade publications. couponshowto.com, Coupons How To, a guide to using coupons with articles on money-saving tips, tutorials, and videos. econsumer.gov, econsumer.gov, provides information on consumer protection laws in 13 countries and offers consumers a way to file complaints online. Fixia.com, Fixia.com, support information for consumer electronics and appliances, repair services, manuals, guides, FAQs and troubleshooting. InfoFAQ.com, InfoFAQ, questions and answers about buying products and services over the Internet. instruction-manuals.co.uk, Instruction Manuals UK, Instruction Manuals for products sold in the United Kingdom. Instructionsheets.com, Instructionsheets.com, includes alphabetical list of manufacturers with links to their sites and list of product instruction manuals offered for download. jdpower.com, JD Power Information Center, using consumer satisfaction data collected, this site provides consumers information to help them in their buying decisions. Manualsonline.com, Manualsonline.com, contains free instruction manuals and other support documents including operator and user guides, and how-to information for all sorts of appliances, machines, and devices. Mouthshut.com, Mouthshut.com, consumers research, compare, and review products and services. myprimetime.com/miscellaneous/me_meters.html, master me meter, life calculators and tools for career, family, and work. nrcn.gc.ca/energy/products/energuide/12523, Energuide, produced by the Canadian Government's Office of Energy Efficiency, rates home appliances for cost of operation and gives tips and advice. Publications.usa.gov, Publications.usa.gov, provides a library of consumer interest publications on a variety of topics. usafact.org, Federation of American Consumers and Travelers, Fact, a national consumer organization offering benefits, discounts, and programs for consumers and travelers. Shopping review comparison websites. 1. Most price comparison websites like Shopzilla.com have merchant ratings where customers rate the businesses. 1. REVIEWPRODUCT.com 2020consumer.com acop.com, American Consumer Opinion. ACSES.com ActiveBuyersGuide.com ActiveResearch.com ALatest.com